In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Brave browser closing automatically. If Brave on Windows 11 keeps closing by itself, it's usually not random. Most of the time, it comes down to extensions, corrupted profile data, or a system conflict. We'll move from the quickest checks to the more involved fixes, and after each change, open Brave and give it a moment to see if the crash is gone. Start by restarting your PC. It sounds basic, but a fresh boot clears memory glitches and background processes that can nudge Brave into crashing. It's a quick sanity check that often saves time. Next, disable all extensions since they're the most common trigger. Open Brave and in the address bar, type Brave // extensions. Toggle every extension off, then close and reopen Brave. If it stops crashing now, you've likely found the cause. You can later re-enable extensions one at a time, testing after each to pinpoint the offender. If crashes continue, turn off hardware acceleration. In the address bar, go to Brave/settings/system and switch off use hardware acceleration when available. Brave will prompt you to relaunch, let it restart. This helps if the issue is tied to your GPU or its drivers. Now clear cache data in case something there is corrupted. Open Brave, our settings, clear browser data. Select cached images and files. Cookies are optional. Clearing them can help but will sign you out of sites, so only include them if you're okay with that. Click Clear Data, then close and reopen Brave to test. If the problem persists, create a new Brave profile. Click the profile icon at the top right, choose to add a new profile, and test Brave there. If the new profile is stable, your original profile is likely corrupted. You can keep using the new one and later move your essentials over. Make sure Brave is up to date. Go to Brave/settings help and let Brave check and install updates automatically. Relaunch when prompted, then test again. If none of that works, reinstall Brave. Uninstall it from Windows App Settings, then download a fresh installer from brave.com, download and install it again. A clean install often clears deeper application issues. Finally, consider Windows level conflicts. Close heavy apps if you're low on RAM, check if your antivirus is blocking Brave and add an exception if needed, and look for recently installed software that might interfere with browsers. Work through these calmly, and with each change, give Brave a test run. One of these steps should stop the automatic closing and get you back to browsing smoothly.